Looks like I'm in for a tornado. Alright guys, I just started the cleaning process. You can see the door, it's actually cleaned up pretty good. It's not like cracking or anything. I also found out someone was packing. I don't know what the story is with this car. I guess the more I tear into it, the more I'll find out. Check this out. It's so dry that when you hear that? It's literally the foam in the seat that's like crumbling. It's crazy. I've never seen that. So right now I'm having trouble taking this seat out. I mean, I could just pull it up and, you know, try to force it, but I think I'm gonna have to take the seats off and the center console. I just don't want to break anything or rip this door panel off. You know, I don't want to force it, so taking the carpet off. Thought this was really cool to show you guys. It has like the old like fender like the old Ford tag. Turquoise Ford front right hand. I love seeing like this old Ford stuff. So here are the floors. It's not too bad actually. I don't know what this is. It looks like it bent up a little bit right there, like a crack. So, or maybe that's just how it is. Not too sure. I just saw this right here. So I don't know what that's all about. I don't know if that's just that filler stuff. Yeah, I think it's just that filler stuff from the factory. Alright, last bucket seat is out. I'm gonna take the other side of the carpet. Then I'm gonna take the center console out. And then I'm gonna take the back seat out. And then I'm gonna clean everything, order a new carpet, some new insulation, and then put all that stuff back and then get these recovered, because these are really, they're gone, they're done. And then I have to find a dash. If you guys have a dash, know anyone that has a dash, let me know. It's in that aqua blue color, so let me know. This is what I love about the XL interior, is this like speaker like right in the middle. That's so freaking awesome. Check it out. Almost looks like it wasn't a fire, but it's just dried out foam. Crazy. All right, here it is, all done. The seat, center console. I'm just gonna clean them up, put them in bags. And center console I think is fine. I don't think I need to do anything to it. Just clean it up and make the chrome shine. The seats will have to be recovered with new foam and covers. And then floors are really good actually. This is like the first time where I don't have to do any rust repair work on the floor, which is always awesome, because that is a pain in the ass. So there you go. Hope you guys liked that video of the cleanup of the Galaxie 500 XL. Next step is clean all this stuff up, make it shine, and then get that new carpet in, redo the seats, and then the headliner as well, and then some odds and ends here and there. And interior should be complete. Put some Maguires on the door panels. So, there you go. Bam.